to find the gear ratio of a pair of gear. As we know, gear ratio is simply a ratio of the number of tooth of the forward gear divided by the number of tooth of our driver gear. Let's see know what is driver and what is follower. The driver is the one driven by the motor or applied force, or which is simply attached with the our actuator. The follower is the one which is doing work by the help of the driver. So to find their gear ratio, divide the number of tooth of the follower gear to the number of the tooth of the driver gear, and you will find the gear ratio. Let's see in our example, the number of tooth of the follower are 8 and number of tooth of the driver is 24, and 8 divided by 24, answer is 1 3. So 1